Like the how are you, brother? Be quiet. Wow. Saturday. Things don't look too great here. To be honest, this last 2 years for me, tourism has significantly, particularly with Western tourists, it does seem to have significantly decreased. Local on Jalan Sahadawa, aka Garlic Lane. If it's as half as good a food there, it's very, very good food. There's sitting areas here. So I just got back from my walk now, and I've just got some of these, the churros, a little chocolate dipping sauce on there. Prices here, beer 35, beer crystal, coconut, no price. We prefer tourists here. Areas here. Not really busy. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia, or should I say late afternoon. It's around 5:30 p.m. I'm here in the Legian area of Bali. I'm actually sat on Legian Beach, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a tour of a section of Legian Beach. So I'm going to start today's video. I'm actually sat down at a table and chairs under an umbrella here on the beach, waiting for sunset. Sunset's normally around about 6:20. It's now 5:30. I'm just going to have a cool coconut before I start my tour of the beach section. I'm going to start today's video by showing you one of the most popular beach sections here on Legian Beach for bakso. Now this bakso seller I'm going to feature in today's video seems to be very popular amongst Indonesian. He has a huge big bowl of the bakso, serves it up in the dishes. People just sit down on the table and chairs on the beach. Tables and chairs are free as long as you're eating and drinking at the restaurant warungs that line along the back of the beach. So I'm going to show you what bakso looks like. I'm going to show you the popular bakso location here on beach. For those of you that are looking to try the bakso Indonesian dish during your holiday stay here in Legian, I'm going to have a cold coconut and I'm going to take you a stroll on the beach. Now this section of beach that I'm going to feature in today's video, my starting point is going to be actually that main gate entrance for Legian Beach is on the left, 66 Beach will be on the right. The section of Legian Beach I'm going to feature in today's video is going to be probably for the more budget conscious tourists, as it's littered with a collection of like little local warung shacks that line the back of the beach, selling relatively cheap food, snacks, drinks, all of your beers, soft drinks, all relatively low price in this section of Legian Beach is going to be featured in today's video. My actual personal preference is actually on the other side at 66 Beach. You've got more fine dining restaurants there. However, prices will be higher for food and drinks on that side of the beach. Usually better seating areas as well on that side of the beach than on the Legian side of the beach. But I'm just going to give you a tour of the Legian Beach section today. Semi-Act 66 beach area will feature in another video, and then you can make a comparison for yourselves by watching both videos. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. Show you where the best bakso on Legian Beach is located, show you a cool coconut, and give you a tour of Legian Beach. So here's my cool coconut here at Legian Beach. You can see it's a huge coconut. This is classified as a fresh young coconut. 30,000 these are. Now I'm not sure with most tourists, but they normally you normally pay after you've eaten and had your drinks and stuff at the table and chairs. Oh wow, that's a great way to sort of like end and start the day. Fresh young coconut, nice and refreshing, nice and cold, nice for a hot sunny day here on the beach. So this is what your tables and chairs look like. I'm just going to take you up to the back of the beach first of all and show you where the popular bakso is located, and then we're going to start our beach tour from the main gate entrance to Legian Beach. So here it is. This is the very popular one here at Legian Beach. Bakso sapi. This is a very popular, famous bakso one here at Legian Beach. Let me just, there they are. It's the bakso. There's many more in the back there. This is the one you're looking for, 100% beef. Okay, so this is what the bakso soup looks like. Oh, it is all the bakso balls. Some sambal there as well, like little crackers. Okay, so here's a start point for today's video, the main gate entrance to Legian and Seminyak 66 beaches. Seminyak 66 to the right, Legian to the left. This is the car parking area. 2,000 for motorbike car parking down in that direction. There's parking for cars up here. How much is the car parking? How much is car? How much is the car?
Car parking?
Yeah.
10,000.
10,000. 10,000 for the car parking. So that's the shelter. Shelter Cabana Arjuna. People seem relaxing. I'm going to take you and show you a little bit of a section of 66 beach first of all. So here we are at 66 beach now, the first resto. This is called K Resto. See very nice seating areas here, a little bit nicer than the ones you'll see at Legian Beach. However, you do pay a bit more of a premium here. I Love You. It's usually live music there. Swing over in the distance there. It's 66 beach. Okay, we're on the pathway now and the walk to on Legian Beach. This guy's cooking the meat here. Look at that. On there. Okay, we're just walking along the track now. Oh, we have another guy here cooking like the... How are you, brother?
Okay, keep going, sir.
Let me just show that.
It's okay, brother. More than welcome. Go, 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 go. Whatever happens
here.
in Bali, stays in Bali, no?
This guy's very, very happy here.
Hey, talk to me, I talk to you.
Very friendly. We have, it's quite empty actually. It's Saturday. Some empty tables and chairs. Wow. Let's get on the track again. Well, there's a few people here in this direction. Tourists here. And Zen here. A group of tourists here at this one. Nice. Some here as well. It's a Zen bar at the back. A little bit more busy, I think, as we go down the end. And some of the foods available, so you can see the price. Pizza, nasi goreng, 35k, mee goreng. Different foods there. Group of Indonesian and Western tourists there. This one here. There's only examples looking a little bit dirty. There's the back sole where we've just shown you where we started. Seating areas here. So it's not as busy as usual. AJ May Colo's bar. Nice. Group here. Bob Marley music on there, copyright music. So it's quite a few of the seating areas empty. Hello. Sydney, Sydney.
Bawa tali.
So it's quite empty actually for a Saturday. Just show you the man walking around with the nuts here. So you can buy these little nuts from this guy here. A group of Western tourists here. But many empty seating areas. I don't think I've seen it this quiet for a long time. Wow. Oh, it's back on the track now. The kids singing there. Wow. Lots of empty chairs. A sunset hut here. This looks quite nice. Coffee cappuccino, espresso. Nice seating area here, but not too busy. Happy hour cocktails. Surf the deck Bali. Nice looking place again. A group of tourists here. Now this is a really nice one as well, with a really nice seating area, however it's not busy. Lance's Beach Bar, this one is called. Really beautiful, colourful seating areas here. Not really busy. I'm back on the track now.
I wanna be a billionaire.
Oh, they have the copyright music again. Oh, surfboard rental if you want to rent the surfboards. Very quiet. Wow. Saturday. Things don't look too great here. All you need is sex, calm down. Cardiac Beach Bar. Oh, Bali, the Balloon Beach Bar. Good Sunset Bar. Wow. There's always good memories started with good alcohol. Or started with alcohol. Something like that. Give us money, we give you icy cold beer. Some nice welcome messages here. The Tiger Itchy Bum Bar here. So the Tiger Itchy Bum Bar has its own swing there. Nice. Very empty in general though, everywhere. Nowhere's super busy. Okay, this is as far as I'm going to walk today. I can show you some of the prices here. Beer 35, beer crystal, coconut, no price, 30k I presume, same as what I paid. And then here we are at the local beach house. This is the same owner, I believe, as the local on Jalan Sahadawa, aka Garlic Lane. If it's half as good a food there, it's very good food. There's sitting areas here, sitting areas along the front. We have beautiful seating areas. Can we just have a look, yeah? Beautiful seating areas in here. Usually have entertainment as well, just not set up at the moment. Very nice. Okay, I just want to show you the Baxo place where I'm actually at now. So we're getting quite a few Indonesians come here now. It's popular for the Baxo here. So I just got back from my walk now, and I've just got some of these, the churros, a little chocolate dipping sauce on there. I think these are 45,000 these. Ooh la la, look at that, wow. It's very windy, so the chocolate's blowing. Not super tasty really. Chocolate gives it a bit of flavour, but yeah, not much going on in there. So as you saw as I was walking around Legian Beach, do take into consideration this is Saturday premium time. 5:30 was when I started today's video. It's now 6:15, so the sun is getting very close to set. So this is normally the very, very busy time here on the beach, all leading up to the sunset time. However, just to me, it was very, very quiet today. Now I've just got back from Vietnam and Thailand. Spent a month in Vietnam. And I've just had another month in Thailand, only in Pattaya and Bangkok in Thailand. Both of those locations very, very busy. Vietnam was also busy. I was in various areas, Ho Chi Minh, Da Nang, Hanoi, Sapa, all of those areas were relatively busy in Vietnam. However, Bali does appear to be a little bit low on tourism at the moment. I do sort of have my own opinions on why I believe that Bali is getting a little bit less tourists, particularly over this last 2 years. However, maybe best I don't say my opinions, because there's many sensitive people that watch these videos and get offended by you having your thoughts and opinions on what you really think what's going on. But all I shall say is this is the time now when it should be busy on the beach here at Legian. I've just recently done a walking tour as well at Sanur. Quite quiet as well on the beach location there as well in Sanur. I think it's just Bali in general. I can't include maybe the Canggu areas in that, and maybe Ubud, because they're usually quite busy. I'm going to get to those in the coming days probably, because I want to see whether it's busy in other areas of Bali. However, Legian Beach is relatively quiet. It is the low season here in Bali. January, February, March are sort of normally the real low periods. April starts usually creeping up a little bit. But I shall be totally honest, this last 2 years, for me, tourism has significantly, particularly with Western tourists, it does seem to have significantly decreased. I'd say there's an increase in domestic tourism. However, with Western tourism, last year in 2025, there was three weeks where we had a big influx of tourists, and then other than that, I would just say it was just generally not as busy as what I've seen it in previous times before, certainly before the pandemic. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.